Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize your favorite feed on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then you can choose post from account that you want to add to your favorites. As example, I will choose this post. You can tap on the three dots on this post over here. There's an option add to your favorites. Tap on that. Now, whenever this account posts some posts, their post will appear on the top of your feed. You can add up to 5 accounts to your favorites account. Will not receive a notification when you add them to your favorites. The favorites feature on Instagram does not remove the rest of the updates from other users. It only makes the most important ones to show first. That way you can start your daily scrolling on Instagram app with your favorite post app. So that is how to customize your favorite feed on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!